Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe something you received for free. You should say what it was, who you received it from, where you received it, and how you felt about it. On my birthday, my best buddy gave me a gorgeous wristwatch, which is among the most memorable free gifts I've ever gotten. It was all of a sudden, which added to its uniqueness. The watch's sleek, contemporary design, featuring a silver face and a black leather band, was ideal for my own taste. It was more than just a present, it was a representation of our friendship and my friend's consideration. My dearest buddy, who has always been like a brother to me, gave me this present. Since we were young, we have been friends, and we have made many memories together over the years. Despite my lack of expectations, he surprised me with this wonderful gift on my birthday. He was aware that I had been wanting a new watch for a while but had never had the time to get one. He knew me well and cared about me, as seen by his thoughtful gift. This gift was given to me during a little birthday party at my house. He gave me a little, exquisitely wrapped gift while my family and close friends were around and we were enjoying ourselves. I was truly moved when I opened it and saw the watch. The care and effort that went into the gift were more important to me than the cost. He knew I would adore it and use it every day, so he took the time to choose it. Getting this present made me feel so grateful and pleased. It served as a reminder that genuine friendship is based on mutual understanding and care rather than financial possessions. It meant a lot that he recognized my need and made the effort to surprise me. Wearing the watch still makes me think of our relationship and the generosity of those who don't demand anything in return. It was a priceless memory that I will always treasure, not simply a free present.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.